What is up, people from YouTube? It's been a busy few weeks, and let me update you guys what's going on. So, took the head machine shop, got it back, got a re-ring kit, sent this engine to a shop that they rebuilt it for me because, well, re-ring it and stuff, because I have to move in a couple of weeks, so I didn't have time to actually learn it, do it myself. So, and they were super awesome, and they were able to get this done in less than a week. So thank you guys at Joker Performance, Jacksonville, Florida. They even painted the valve cover the color I wanted. Shout out to you guys, like, for real, keeping it 100. Look how clean, how freaking clean. Yeah, so freaking awesome. This fucking sucks. Excuse my language. I was messing with it. I don't know why. And then the freaking cap that goes inside of here, it freaking just busted. And I can't find that nowhere else on the internet or even dealership. They don't discontinue that little cap that goes in between that and the cap, distributor cap. And the only thing it does is it prevents all that moisture to go inside of there. So why not just put this crap on there and save $80? I'm gonna change that in the future. That is just temporarily. So yeah, look at all that. Oh, good lord. I got the hood done. My wife was diagnosed with endometriosis, so she's been a big help to this project. Without her, it would have been very hard. Came out beautifully. My buddy Kyle did this piece. He's look at come up, KBMer. I'll put the links down in the description of the video. He's done a couple of big projects here in the city, so I got the honor of him doing this for me. Came out beautifully. So that's that. The engine. I'm currently doing the EGR delete, as most people do with these engines. You know, for reliability reasons. I haven't seen no videos of how to do this completely, so I'm also learning my first 240. So I'm gonna keep the heat, because I have AC in this 240, and I don't like to have, like, not be comfortable in junk, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure a lot of people don't, but some people don't got that many options. But I'm gonna keep those heater hoses on there to replace these, because apparently these get really, will you hear that? It's actually a hose, but they get very hard and they crack. Replace that. That's for the crank ventilation. Oh, gotta clean this shit. I'll see, find a way how to clean all this crap, because I don't want the engine to breathe all this stuff. And all that crap is due to the freaking PCV valve not having a catch can and throwing away all that nasty crap somewhere else besides recycling it back in the engine. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why they did that. Most cars do that still, so yeah, much better, much cleaner. I was able to pressure wash the transmission, even though, as you see, some parts are still kind of dirty, but they've been there for over 20 years, so I'll probably have to scrub it and crap. But this is 100 times better than how it was. I'm gonna replace the the slave cylinder, and the master cylinder once I get it in a few weeks. Got a new clutch kit, so I'm gonna be replacing that throwout bearing. Luckily, the car came with a pretty new CarQuest starter, so that's a plus, at least. And it came with this awesome Nissan distributor cover. Freaking awesome. Those are very expensive on eBay. This is a stock clutch the car came with. pretty amazing how this car was so stock. I just replaced that. And here's the flywheel that I got resurfaced at Precision Crankshaft Services in Jacksonville, Florida. They got this done same day. That's who did my head. Freaking awesome. Wish I could have used this intake because all the EGR stuff was taken out, but I can't. That's for an S13 KA, which is another KA I had bought for my buddy, but can't use it unfortunately because that other KA had a warp head and stuff, so I couldn't use that. That's why I had to build the one that was actually in my engine. Let me show you some of the mess I got going on right now. Yeah, I'll be moving from here in a couple of weeks, unfortunately. Freaking clusterfuck. Here are some of the parts I'm installing. I'll install this eventually. I don't really need it right now. I knew some people, so I got this set up really cheap. It's not new, but it's such a upgrade from the stock radiator. And those fans and shrouds were actually for a Nissan Skyline. That was for a Nissan Skyline, but it fits pretty well. And here's a XD clutch kit I got for it. Yeah, I got crap all over it. Got the new hatch on it. Much better than the other one. I'm gonna put some window tint on it later on. Here's the current engine bay situation. I found out that my left driver's side light was not working properly. Wasn't even turning on. The fuse kept blowing every time I turned it on. And I was actually gonna run a wire from over here to over here. Yes, use that power from there. And it was working, but when you put the high beams on, only that side would work, not this one. I'm not sure if it's because the battery has low voltage or whatever, but then I decided to swap out the headlights that my buddy gave me, because I was gonna swap it out to this one anyways, and I found out it's actually just that harness right there that was jacked up, and now it works perfect. Hopefully it's nothing to do with the wiring harness over there, that area, because I bought a circuit connector tester thing, and it was saying that I had a short over there in that little area. So hopefully that is not the situation, because I don't want to ghetto rig this crap up. That's not me. And right now I'm debating if my buddy should do my engine bay also, so it match with my hood. Personally, I want to, but there's just so much stuff in here I have to cover up. So many lines and stuff. I would try to get a new condenser, but they're super hard to find. Super hard to find. They're over $100. This one's okay. It's old, but it's okay. I was trying to put the S14 roof sheets on here, but I'm just gonna take it to somebody else do it because I don't have time for that right now. I'm trying to get it running as it is right now. And right here's all the extra parts I'm not gonna be using. Whole bin full. Yeah. Got a ton of S14KA stuff over here. To conclude this video, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, rate this video. More content will be coming up soon. Hopefully I will be driving this car soon. That is my ultimate goal, because I need to. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you like it.